But we never talk about religion in Karo. This is the point. Tradition is more important than religion here in Karo.
Are people in Indonesia able to get along regardless of their religions?
I cannot speak. But here in Karo, yeah, it's okay.
Joining me today, revealing the contents we're after.
Of how it turned out, is this what you expected?
Yes, it's good. For sure.
Perfect.
Believe me, it's good.
Pretty mixed reviews. It seemed like we had one thumbs down over here, something in the middle, and definitely a big thumbs up. Huh.
So creamy, huh?
It is creamy. And then about